Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? In today's video, we'll be seeing something very interesting. That is 5 habits that will make your day better and happier if you practice it on daily basis. So let's quickly see what are those 5 habits. The first habit that we need to master as soon as we get up every day is to be grateful for that present day, because we are not guaranteed or we are not assured that that day is going to be ours, or we were not guaranteed that day the day before. It's really a blessing that we have woken up on that day, so we need to be grateful. If you are a believer of God, please be grateful to God that He has given you that day. Or if you are a believer of the universe, thank the universe for that day. So the first habit is to be grateful for the day that you wake up. Coming to the second habit is exercising. Exercising is a very important part of your daily routine. It's not necessary that you have to exercise or you need to work out for 40 or 45 minutes daily, unless and until you are a person who is focusing on weight loss, or you are a person who is focusing something more physically that comes from workouts. You can exercise about 10 to 15 minutes. Just normal body stretch is enough, because that is something that is going to kickstart your day. That is something that is going to increase your metabolism in your body, so that will be very helpful for you to keep, for you to run the day in a very happier and peaceful manner, because that is going to keep you busy all the day. It's going to keep you active. So doing a workout, a minimal workout every day before shower is very important. The third habit that I would recommend is one of the habits that most of the successful people out there, or the happier people out there, follow. It is reading. You might be wondering, how can reading be a habit that is going to make your day better or happier? Reading doesn't only make you improve your language, or reading is not a habit that only makes you increase your vocabulary. It is something that gives you calmness. It is something that gives you so many things, that if you are a reader, if you are an ardent reader of any book, you would know that you will be able to think in so many different ways, right? If you are a reader, you will be having so many different perspectives. Now this can be a little bit complicated to understand, but reading books makes you think about things in many perspectives and not narrowing to one or two. Like, I'm not saying about fiction or non-fiction, like any book. If you're going to continuously read something, it's going to make you think more. It is going to make you think in a better way. It's going to make you think in different ways. So it's helpful. And moreover, reading is going to give you me time, or your time. Generally, while reading, you are not going to roam anywhere. Very less people are there who walk around and read. Other than that, people sit in a place, chill themselves and read. So reading is a time where you give for yourself, so you are not having so much distractions. You are mostly focusing on the book and on the content that you're reading. So reading is something that's going to calm yourself. It is something that helps you focus more. It is something that makes you concentrate more, and it gives you calmness, it gives you mindfulness. And after reading, when you're going to do another work, it helps you focus more on it, because the habit that you practiced while reading is carried while you are doing the another task as well. So reading is one of the habits that you and I need to follow in daily basis for a better, peaceful and happy life. So the fourth habit is a very common habit, but it is practiced in a different perspective. It is going for a walk. Now we usually go for a walk for the reason of reducing weight, or for the reason that we shouldn't get certain illness or diseases. But other than that, going for a walk every evening is going to free your mind from all the chaos that was there from the entire day, from the morning. So going for a walk will give you a peaceful mindset, will open up space in your mind for new thoughts and things. So it's good to go for a walk in the evening. And if you wish, make this a habit that going for a walk in a place where there are less people will give you more peace. Now, this is a bit hard to practice because there are people around everywhere all the time, but to a certain extent we can practice this. Instead of walking in a crowd, or instead of walking in a place where there are so many people, try to walk in a place where there are very less people, and try to go for a walk in an area which is very calm and serene. You will find yourself like very light after walk. You will find yourself like there's a big burden that was inside you and it was kept down, it was pulled down from you. You would feel that if you make it a practice. So going for a walk in a good, calm and serene place will definitely boost up your mind, and it will give you a lot of space for new thoughts and positive thoughts about yourself and the surroundings. So going for a walk in a good place is very important. So the fifth habit and the last habit is one of the most important among these five. It is a good sleep. Now, if you have noticed this video, I have started this, saying these habits in an order from morning to night. So it is being grateful in the morning, and then doing an exercise or a workout after that, and then reading a book when you're free, and going for a walk in the evening, and at the night having a very good sleep. When you're sleeping, that's the only time you are idle for the entire day. Okay, that's the time when you are not active but your brain is still active. So you need your brain to work in a positive way, for which you need to have a good sleep without any negative thoughts. Make sure while you're going to sleep, don't carry a whole baggage of negative thoughts that happened to you for the entire day, if anything happened to you. Or don't get stuck in your past, or don't keep worrying about the future. Just go to bed thanking for the day. Just go to bed that everything is going to be fine the next day or in near future. So going to bed with positive thoughts is going to make you sleep well. Trust me on this. When you're going to bed with positive thoughts, you sleep well. So go to bed with positive thoughts and sleep well. Have a very good sleep without any distractions or thoughts. So that's the fifth habit and one of the most important habits. So again, when you get up on the next day, the process continues, being grateful, working out, reading, going for a walk, sleeping. So this is a cycle that can be followed by you and by me for a better, happy life. So yeah, these are the 5 habits. I guess these are very easy to master in daily basis if we practice it sincerely. So these habits will make us peaceful, will make our life happy, and will make you a happy person as an individual. So let's practice these 5 habits, and let's be happy, peaceful, and let's lead a better life.